All right. Well, you strategy people, here's the strategy. What I had to do was, you see I have the new pieces in place. It's pretty easy. This took a long time. Man, I had to melt that away. I like to put it in there when I put the stuff back together, like it to look kind of clean and neat. Ordinarily, I would run this wire back in there the way it was originally, and then it goes up to here. This right here, you see that down there? It should be looped like that. The manufacturer, this was made in China, they didn't leave enough to loop it. I don't know if that's going to cause a concern or not, but we'll find out down the road. Then you just run your wires right back up here and plug it back in up there. Just put everything right back in its original place. Screwed it back in. We're going to fire it up and there shouldn't be any problem. We're going to put the panel back on, put the screws back in, and that's how you replace your side-by-side defrost thermostat or thermal defrost. I forgot what the part. Oh, defrost heater. That's it. So that's how that's done. It's not real hard. It took me a little longer because I had a lot of ice right here. So the takeaways on this lesson: if you take away the back panel and you see a bunch of ice, especially the whole thing, you might as well get a little heater. If you have a little space heater, get your little space heater, open the door, set the space heater at an angle if you can, so the heat will come up through here. Set it on high, right at the about 6 inches from the door, and let the heat go up, since heat rises. I've never had a problem with that. But this was thick right here. As you can see, there's still ice here. But I wanted to go ahead and get this done and complete it so we can get the food back in the refrigerator and get some things working. And as a matter of fact, while I was waiting on this to get done, I went ahead. Let me give you a little closer look, see if how that works out. There's a little closer look. And just put everything right back where it goes. And the water drips down. Even though I had the towel, it still goes through the drip hole. So I gotta mop that up, wipe it up with the towel, whatever, when I'm finished. So while I was waiting for the ice down there to defrost to where I could do something with it, I was having problems with the ice maker. So I went ahead and replaced the ice maker as well. Put a brand new ice maker in there. That was like a 10-minute job. That's not hard at all. Hopefully that works. So we'll see how that turns out. So that's it. It's pretty easy. If you have any questions, let me know. I know somebody should have this question, if you don't already. What's the part number? Where'd you get the part? What kind of refrigerator is it? Well, you want to know the part number? Of course you do. There it is. Let's see, put it back. There you go. That's the part number right there. Defrost heater WR51X442. This one I got online, very inexpensive price, as I already said. Very doable. The price of 4 Starbucks, venti, whatever you get. So now I'm just going to put the panel back on, screw it in, plug it back in, and I'm good to go. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me an email. If you liked it, you know what to do. Click the like, click the subscribe, I guess. You don't really have to click the subscribe because I don't do this a lot, but you can at least like it. That's cool. I'd appreciate that, knowing that somebody appreciated the information that I put out there, because I learned this from someone else. So I thought I would share with someone else. All right. What do they say? Sharing is caring. All right. So God bless. And if you want to hear the word of God, if you're interested in preaching or learning more about the Bible, go ahead and type in Into His Word. That's INNTO, His Word. And you'll see a bunch of stuff right there. And go ahead and click on it, and it'll help you out. You want to go to stay.intohisword.com as well. But INNTOWORD will get you started on the right track. God bless.